Do you wanna know how to do this effect? Watch all the video and I'm gonna teach you how to do that in a very simple way. What's up guys? Welcome to my new video. It's always me, Johnny, and today is gonna be a short video so you can watch it till the end without annoying yourself. And we are gonna talk about a parallax effect on Premiere Pro. If you don't know what it is parallax effect, I'm gonna show you just now a clip that is gonna demonstrate what is gonna do parallax effect on your clip or your photos actually. It's a cool effect where your subject, it's like in front of a blurry background sometimes, and the subject just moving in front, so towards you, and the background is just moving away from the subject. So there is this kind of visual effect that the subject and the background are separating. It's kind of cool, and I'm gonna teach you a very simple way in Premiere Pro on how to do this. So keep watching the video, but before I show you how to do that, you can use this effect just at your advantage if you want to step up your game in Instagram. Maybe you want to upload some pics on your Instagram. I mean, that's what it is for. If you upload a photo with this effect, it's probably gonna get more likes. I mean, it's like cooler than a normal photo, than a static photo. This is a moving one, so it's like a middle ground between like videos and photos. So it's actually pretty cool. But without further ado, just go on Premiere Pro and I will show you how to do this. So here in Premiere Pro, as you can see, I just already done these photos just as I showed you before, but we're gonna make it again and I'm gonna show you how to do this. So first you import your photos. I'm gonna take this photo right here. If you want, I'm gonna upload the photo and you can download it like in the description below. And I'm just gonna make a new sequence on this photo. So you're gonna see all the process from the beginning. So just right click on the photo and new sequence from clip. So you can see here, I'm just gonna duplicate this one. I'm just gonna clone it. What you have to do is just to hold Alt and you just have to drag the clip above the other one. In this way, you're gonna copy the one clip below. Now that you have these two clips right here, you're gonna select the second one, so the clone one, we can say, and you just go on the effect controls. You're just gonna select scale. We are gonna scale this one to 120, and also you're gonna select the first clip and you're gonna scale this one too to 120. We're gonna see why in a while. After you scaled up your image, you're gonna go here on the opacity tool and you're gonna select the free draw bezier and you're just gonna zoom in on the clip right here. Maybe you're gonna do 25% and you're just going to draw a mask around your subject that is gonna be in front of your photo like this. I'm not just gonna do all the mask because it's gonna take too much time. So I'm gonna speed up the process and I'm gonna take the other clip that I've done so you can see how I masked all my subject. So actually, this is a mask of all my subject. And after you're done the masking process, you're gonna go again on the scale tab of your image and you're gonna select the stopwatch right here. So we are making a keyframe at the beginning of the clip and a keyframe at the end of the clip. For the cloned clip, you're gonna make the second keyframe bigger, just like 140. It's gonna be good. So the subject, as you can see, is like moving towards you. And for the other clip, you're gonna make two keyframe too in the same positions. So one at the end and one at the beginning of the clip. Actually, this time you're gonna make the second keyframe. So this one right here, that in the cloned clip, you just did a bigger one. So this time you're gonna make it smaller. So like 110 is gonna be good. And so you could already see that the photo is moving, but actually here we have the background that it's not moving. So this is a problem. How we resolve this? Actually, it's very easy. So you take the first clip right here and you just go to the effect controls position. You just hit the stopwatch here. You put a keyframe at the beginning, one at the end of the clip, and you just move your clip where it matches with the clip above. So just like this, and you can see that everything is working perfectly. But we have one more problem, that we just got here some black bars. You can make these clips like shorter, so you don't have this problem anymore. For example, on this photo, we have only just one problem that you can't fix. As you can see, if I'm going in this way, you could see there is a copy of this leaf right here, but I think it's pretty good also, because it's not too bad. I mean, it's looking good. I mean, probably you didn't even notice, so I think it's pretty okay. But if you want to do with another photo, just be careful on what photo are you using, because it can create some problems like this one. And if it's gonna fit alright like this, it's gonna be okay, but maybe you're gonna change your photo. And I mean, it's a pretty easy process. The longer part is where you have to mask all your subject, so there is a pain in the ass. But anyway, that was it. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. If you did, just leave a like. It will help very much the channel. And also leave a comment if you used this effect, and maybe leave your Instagram right there in the comment section so I can see your works. And also consider subscribing if you haven't already. And I think that's it. So see you in the next video. Bye guys.